Hello students, hope you're doing well. I know there's been some headaches and some frustrations. Thank you for pushing through this. I've spoken with other instructors and I just wanted to thank you guys for being patient and working through this with us and working through it together. There's been some changes and some things we're trying to work through with the designers and with the course in and of itself. So first of all, thank you. A couple of things that I want to make you be aware of and just show you guys to again be successful in this course and moving forward. First one is please, and you guys are doing well, but please look at the announcements. Very important, and when I have concerns or see kind of some common patterns, I'll put an announcement into the whole class so the whole class is aware. So the first one you can see right here, or not the first one, but this activity 1, discussion board 1 announcement. So important, and I'll show you more about it. But on your first discussion of every study assignment for each week, please remember to have at least 200 words and put your word count at the end of your thread. Points will be deducted if there are not 200 words. Second thing I wanted to show you is just most of you are aware of this, but again, to make your life a little bit easier and more simple. Last Thursday on September 22nd, L or Lesson 03 opened up and began. Let me go ahead and click here and just this is all you need to do. Don't do more or less than this each week, but just follow along with me. Always first go to this Lesson 03 overview. Read the first part carefully, the article of faith, lesson truths, and what we'll be doing. Read this first part really carefully, slowly and carefully. Go to your learning goal. After you've read that as a student, here's what you need to do. Go to your study assignment. Number 1, read those required readings. Supplemental readings are so good, but all you're required to do is read those required readings. You can see this instruction. Share your insights with others on the CPT discussion board. So after you're done with this study assignment 1, I would go down to this first activity, due date activity. Okay. This first due date activity is always the Tuesday after. Open it up. Read the instructions. Those instructions will be the same. These instructions will be the same. Click here to share your insights. As you click there, you'll see, this is just because I'm the teacher, but it'll go right to your group. Dallin Poole is in this group 1. It'll have him put his new thread, post your new thread on this first discussion board. This is where you need to have at least 200 words. Put your word count after. After you're done with that, when you're ready, you would go to the study assignment number 2. Read your required readings. When you're done with that, go to your due date 2 activities. These due date 2 activities are always due on Thursday. So Thursday nights. Again, this time you do not need a word count. You just need to rejoin a conversation or start a new thread. What we invite you to do is just build off of what you said and continue to learn and understand. You can either start a new thread or answer another question or read another thread and respond to it. That would be the same with this third discussion board. Again, revisit the board and put your thoughts in there. Due date 1 activities, always the Tuesday following. Due date 2 activities, the Thursday following, and all of the due date 3 activities are Saturday. So the summary paper will always be due on the Saturday. The synthesis project, and a lot of you have already started looking at that. Just be aware of that, be talking, be thinking, and I know there's some questions about that those will get figured out, and thank you for all that you do. Don't forget this end of the week reporting. I appreciate all you guys are doing. Thank you so much, and just keep up the hard work. Thank you.